Sexy Rexy. You're right in front of all my doggies. There. He was photobombing you. Yes, he was. I'll be up there in a minute.
What, huh? You jealous, Joy? I'm petting your sister. I'm petting your sister. Jamie.
Aren't you guys adorable? Hi, Chloe. You're the cutest little baby. Look at how you have your little foot to the side. So feminine. Yes, look at how she puts her foot. Oh, gosh. Hello. Yes, I see you.
Paula.
Maggie. Maggie. Hi. Hi, Bug Eyes.
Paula, you're okay. She has, since the second she came in here, she's not been dry.
She loves the water, huh?
Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco.
Ooh, are we boring you, huh? You're yawning. Are you bored? You guys like the misters over there. That feels good, doesn't it? You feel good? Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, sweetheart.
Oh, yes.
Hey, Joe.
Look at you.
What you doing? You're soaking wet. Yes, you're soaking wet. Yes, you are. Okay, let's go see who's... Boy, how did you rate, huh?
I'm sure I spoiled, you know that?
Who's that under there? Somebody going in the water? Anybody going in the pool?
Hey, Sonny.
Hello, sweetheart.
Gracie.
I like your color. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Gracie. Gracie. Come here.
Hello. Hi. Anybody inside, or is it too nice a day out here? I think somebody's in there. I see somebody. Hi. Hi. Come on out. Join the party. Come on. Join the party. Yes.
Jamie.
Pretty Jamie. Yes.
Isn't she new?
Yes.
I think she is.
Yes, she is. Hello, hello. Hi, babies. Oh, where's James? Okay, anybody want to go up on the hill? Uncle Pat can go first.
Come on, guys.
Yeah. Go follow the Piper. There's a Pied Piper. Beautiful day today. Yes, it is. Hey, James. Would you please tell this dog that I'll be over there in a minute?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You'll be over there in a minute. Talia. Max, come here, guys. See me. See me. Sexy Rex. Sexy Rex. Sexy Rex. Rocky. She's new. She just came in.
Cute. Big bug eyes. Hey, you.
Come on, guys. Cayenne, you want to come with us?
You okay, sweetheart?
Yeah, that's just Nigel.
Nigel. Hey, Joe. You cute little Chloe. Hi, baby.
Come on, guys.
Follow the Pied Piper. Let's see who's inside.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, of course. No, sure, yeah. Come on, guys. What, Rex?
Somebody's soaking wet. Somebody's soaking wet. Hi. My goodness. All in here, my goodness gracious. What? What? What?
Jay.
What? What you doing down there, little black wiener dog?
Racy girl.
Hi.
Jasmine.
Hello, honey. Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
Jay. Okay.
Is that Ronnie? Veronica?
That's Gracie.
Oh,
Oh, that's
okay.
Gracie. Oh, and that one's Ronnie.
Hi, Ronnie. Hi, baby. Hi. Thank you.
Hey. Jack. Hey.
What you doing, Maggie? What you doing, Maggie? Hi.
What?
Hi.
Spoil. Spoil. What?
Hello. Hi, Nigel. You're a cutie pie. Rusty. Hi, Rusty.
Missy. Missy.
Sorry, you can't get out. No,
come here.
can't get out, Chewy. Wait.
Come sit.